Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this is the story of Kulwant Singh, my Indian student. He is from Indian Punjab. He appeared in IELTS exam on 6th June 2022. And when he got the result, he was very happy. Listening, 9 band. Reading, 8.5 band. Speaking, 7 band, and writing 7.5 with an overall band score 8. Now for a normal student, this is the best band. Overall 8, listening 9, reading 8.5 and all that. But actually Kulwant Singh was not happy with this result. Although he had achieved 7.5 in writing, 9 and 8.5 in listening and reading respectively, but he was not happy with his speaking band score, which was 7. So he decided to use one option which is called EOR, Inquiry on Results. When you are not satisfied with your result and you think your results are not your results do not interpret your language skills, then you apply for something that is called EOR. And guys, after EOR, his band score changed. Listening band 9 already did not change. Reading band 8.5 already did not change. Writing band 7.5 already did not change. But speaking band changed from 7 to 8. And actually Kulwant Singh is very angry. At first place, why did they give him 7 band in speaking, whereas he actually qualifies for 8 band score? So, I mean, sometimes even you get good band score, still you are not satisfied. So, Kulwant Singh is happy now. His overall band score also changed from 8 to 8.5. His speaking band score changed from 7 to 8. This means one examiner gave him 7 band in speaking. As per that examiner, Kulwant Singh was capable of 7 band, and after re-evaluation, a senior examiner rated his English level at 8 band. So, anyways, there are certain issues and things and all that. But anyways, if you are unhappy with your IELTS result, you can go for EOR. I've got my EOR message. There are 11 to 12 points. So you can consider those points before you apply for EOR. My numbers are given. You can contact on one of these numbers and you can get my EOR message, so that if you think your band score is less in 1 or 2 modules, and these modules should be writing and speaking, you can go for EOR. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.